However, at the lower house, Supreme Court officials assure that reforms have been implemented to ease the backlog of cases in the courts. The assurance was made as the chamber deliberations on the proposed national budget for 2016, including the appropriation for the judiciary. Freddie Abando tells us more.
The slow delivery of justice has always been a major concern in the past, but in recent years, reforms undertaken by Chief Justice Maria Lourdes Sereno is gaining significant strides to restore the people's faith in the judiciary. In today's budget hearings for the judiciary in the House, Supreme Court Deputy Administrator Raul Villanueva bared a package of reforms implemented in recent years to address the backlog of cases from the High Tribunal to the Court of Appeals, the Court of Tax Appeal, Sandigan Bayan Regional and Municipal Courts.
All of this taken into account, Your Honors, has resulted in marked improvements in our adjudication of cases. For the Supreme Court, Your Honors, they have our honorable justices have practically equaled, Your Honors, the number of cases that are being filed on a yearly basis. They have disposed as equally the same number, Your Honors, in their dockets. For the lower courts, Your Honors, they have gone beyond, actually. When compared to the number of cases filed in a year, Your Honors, they have exceeded the cases that they have disposed. So in effect, Your Honors, they have reduced as that. This resulted actually in the reduction in their investment. Your Honors.
Among the programs are the e-court project to speed up decision-making through automated monitoring of cases, automated hearings which transform the courtrooms into an automated trial forum, both initially implemented in courts for Quezon City and is now expanding to other areas.
The e-court project, the modernization of our case managements in the trial courts. This was first piloted in Quezon City with the support of our developmental partner, the ABAROLI, Your Honors, or the American Bar Association Rule of Law Initiative. May we just point out, Your Honors, that when we piloted this particular project, Your Honor, there was no funding that was provided. But it has proven to be very effective, Your Honors, because it has automated the monitoring of our cases and improved the speeded, actually, and expedited the decision-making process of our courts. The automated hearings, Your Honors, is actually a result of the e-court project that we embark on, Your Honors, and this enables the proceedings in our courts to be captured electronically already, from the time that the case is called up to the time that an open court order is issued.
Another program is the holding of continuous trials, a brainchild of Supreme Court Associate Justice Diosdado Peralta.
Yeah, I hope that this will succeed. No? Now, after the 50 court pilot courts, we have already started the program, and we find success to it. Then we will introduce it to the other. We'll introduce to the other courts now, because we cannot go ahead covering all the courts, because we have to train also the person and so on.
The judiciary's proposed budget for 2016 is close to 27 billion pesos. That's 0.81% of the proposed budget of 3.002 trillion pesos. A consensus was reached among members of the Appropriations Committee led by Congressman Rufus Rodriguez to increase the budget to 1% of next year's national program to sustain the gains of the Sereno Reform Program. Other gains this year are the construction of 100 courts all over the country, 120 for 2016, 48 family courts, and 2 more divisions added to the Sandigan Bayan. House Appropriations Committee Chairman Isidro Ungad said the proposed hike will be considered in plenary, but first there is a need to find out where to source the additional funds.
And this is a great branch of government, one of the 3 co-equal, coordinate branches, which provides for the separation of powers and checks, both us and the executive. And so, Mr. Chairman, I would move that we, as a consensus of those present this afternoon, to have this unprecedented step of already, and for the first time in our history, have 1% of our 3 billion budget, that they will receive 30 billion already.
For the People's Television Network, this is Freddie Abando reporting.